today we are going to make project for grade 4 maths. So today I am going to show you how to make a clock. So this is a clock which I have already made. So I am going to show you how to make a clock. Right. So for this you require the material like a chart paper, pen, compass, pencil, scale, okay, and tuck pins or nail, whatever it is available. So first of all, I have drawn a circle by keeping it in the center like this, okay. Then you have to cut it with the help of scissor in a circular way. Then you have to write number 12, opposite to 12 it should be 6. In between 12 and 6 you have to write 3 on right side, 9 on left side. Then take a center of these two numbers also. Write 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Right. Then you have to draw two hands of the clock also. One small hand and one longer hand. That is a minute hand, and small hand for shorter hand for hour hand. Like this you have to cut it, you have to color it, okay. Whatever way you want to make, you can make. Then you have to, what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to take a tuck pin or drawing pins like that, anything you can take. With that you have to stick these two hands over here, which can able to move in any direction. See, I am moving in any direction, which shows you the time, like it is 2 o'clock, right? So this is the way you are supposed to make a project where the hand should be movable. So this is one kind of clock which I have made, right? Similarly, as I have drawn a circle over here, you are supposed to make another project which is a fraction one. Before going to the fraction, let me introduce some fraction, how to make a fraction. These are the fraction. For that also you are supposed to draw a circle like this. Here you are supposed to take the chart. Here you are supposed to take the different color chart paper, or otherwise you can color it also. See, I have chosen different color paper over here. You have to stick it on the cardboard, or you can select some greeting cards which are coming in different colors. Like that. See, here I have written 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4. Why I have written? Because it is divided into, this circle is divided into 1 2 3 4. So I have written 1 4 1 4 1 4. Same way here also I have written, and I have cut this one portion. Then here also I have cut one portion. Then you have to insert this in between like this, and you can show them that this is the half circle and this is half circle, which is one whole circle. See, right? If I ask you what is 1 by 4, so here by rotating this you can show that this is 1/4. So pink colored part is 1/4, and others green color part is 1, 2 and 3 parts are green color, 3 parts are green in color. So this is 1/4. Now similarly I have made for 1 by 8. I have made 8 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is why I have written 1/8. Here also I have selected. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are pink in color, and others are. So it can be written as 5/8. Here I have chosen another one where I have selected 16 parts. So now if I will ask you how many parts are blue in color, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you will write? 6/16. Each part is 6/16. Okay, so this is 6/16. This fraction shows 6/16. Here also same way I have selected. See, I have made this circle into 14 parts. I have divided this circle into 14 parts. Like that you can select whatever the number you want, and you can make different fractions out of it. Okay, now there is another one more which I am going to show you is currency. See, this is a currency, Indian currency. which I am showing it to you. See, it is bounded in a one ribbon. Here sticking is there, right? See, all these are been hanged. You can hang it. Can you able to see? Now, see, 2, 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500, 2000. So all the currency notes are here in this. So this is the way you can make the third currency chart, or currency flashcards also you can able to make, right? So I have shown you the three ways how to make different things. One is currency, one is flashcard, and another is the one which I have that is a clock. So I have shown you three things to you. Similarly, I am going to show you one more. See, this is the another clock. Can you able to see the whole clock? This is another clock, and this is also another clock. Okay, here also the hands are moving. So this is the way you are supposed to make a clock. So now you have understood. So is that how to make. So here it shows your creativity, that how you are going to make the project. I don't want anything which is in chart. You should show your creativity, children. Okay. So don't prepare any chart. You are supposed to make some projects like this. Okay. And it is not, you are not bound to make these projects. You can select any other topic also. Like you can select standard unit of length. Okay, you can select so you can select anything. I have shown you three things, right? You can select anything. You can select the place value also if you want. Like that you are supposed to show your own creativity, and you are supposed to make your own projects. So I think now you have understood how to make the project, right? So which shows your creativity I want, right? So thank you, children, for making projects. Okay, bye.